What is up and welcome. This is a private unlisted video that I made just for you because you made it to the end of the other video. You clicked on it and now you're gonna see something so fun and amazing and maybe illegal. I don't know, probably not. But what we're gonna do is the skull is gonna be baked with shavings of beautiful rainbowy crayon and fire. What the heck? Did you see that? Now listen, don't try this at home. That was fake. It's completely special effects. That doesn't really work, okay? So might need to tone it down for the rest of the video, but let's get started before we get banned. Even though this is a private video, just for you. And I've never done this before, so if you would do me a favor and watch the whole video all the way to the end, because I did something special just for you. Not anybody else has access to this, so you're special. And you mean a lot to me. And I better get started before I start crying. So what I'm thinking, since we have this nice array of colorful crayons left, I thought it'd be a great idea just to shave them on in a nice little pattern or fade or who knows. But I got my wife's potato peeler. Don't tell her I got it, okay? But I'll wash it real good, I promise. I got this idea when I was sweeping up my disaster of messes from peeling the crayons. All the pretty little residual flakes. Oh, that's gonna be good. That's gonna work perfect. There. All right, we got it all done. That really, honestly, just like that, looks super cool, but it's not finished. We have to melt it. Oh my gosh, I'm so looking forward to this. Maybe we'll tone it down a little bit with this. Yeah. All right, here goes nothing. Let me move my dustpan and things away. This is really valuable. Seriously, one of the best things I got to clean up little stuff like this. Are you ready? Oh, I don't know how much to turn it on. So let's just test it. See how close we need to get. I don't want to move it. Oh my gosh, did you see how satisfying that was? Oh my gosh. Oh, whoa, come here. Let me bring it a little closer. Where is it going? It's kind of melting off. Okay, you know what? I got just the thing for this. I thought they were too big to use, but I'm gonna get these. Brought out my little flaky chips where I had left over from my shaving. You see little chunks here and there. This might actually be a little more satisfying. We'll see. I do have to remember that this is wood, and I don't want to burn the wood. So I guess I'll keep it moving. That'd be my technique. That is so satisfying. I see some smoke. That's probably wood. Whoa, look at the colors. Holy cow, hold on. You gotta get even closer for this. Come here. No, that's so sick. Look at that. It looks like maybe I thought I needed more red chunks, but there we go. Oh gosh. Look at a little bubbly there. Wow. Whoa. This is, whoop, there's some fire. Wow. Oh my gosh. Why is this so crazy satisfying? Look at how they're melting together. Kids, I'm a trained professional. Don't try this at home. And don't ask who trained me. I don't have an answer for that. Whoa! What was that? Let's look at that green. Watch this, watch this, watch this. I don't know what that's going to do on the, the big one there. Holy moly, no. It's like a candle, birthday candle. I was a little slow on that one. I kept it on there too long. I'm sorry. Ho! What's that? What are you doing? Holy moly. Camera got a little smoky there. This is fun. We're almost done here. There, man. Oh, look at this. This is insane. Yep, my thing's stuck. There we go. Look at that. Look at how that came out. Look at that goofy looking Joker. I could probably wear this as a mask. Totally can. It's still a little warm right there where it caught on fire. Now, I don't know if you could epoxy this. I don't know how practical it is unless you can epoxy it and it be fine. If you've ever epoxied over crayons or used crayons, I won't know. Just throw me a comment down below, and I'd love to hear your thoughts about this project and this one. And I'll see you on the next one. God bless. Goodbye.